How to change your YouTube profile picture on Chrome. First thing first, you have to open your Chrome browser and then make sure your device is connected to stable internet connection. Then you have to simply open a new tab and then on the web address bar you can type in youtube.com and search for it. Once you have done that, you need to simply make sure that you have been signing on your YouTube account if you haven't yet. So once you open YouTube on the Chrome browser, you need to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and then select on view your channel. Then as you can see our profile picture, so simply click on edit profile picture button at the top of the screen. Then you will get access to this channel customization page where you can easily upload your profile picture, your banner image or video watermark as well. So as we are here to change our profile picture, so let's tap on this or let's click on this first option that says picture and click on upload. Then you can easily choose any picture that you wish to choose or add to your profile picture and then click on open. Here you can easily customize your profile picture. You can drag and keep wherever you would like to this picture, and then after that click on the down button at the bottom right corner. You have to refresh this page once and click on reload. And then click on publish and then click on publish at the top right corner of the screen. Wait for a while and you can go to channel. Then when you see at the top right corner of the screen, we can easily view that we have changed our profile picture on YouTube using Chrome. It might take a few time in order to show here, but we can see here easily that we have changed our profile picture on YouTube. So that is how we change our profile picture on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.